When I was looking at universities, I did not want the typical experience where you sit in giant lecture halls for hours just copying notes. What made UNF different for me was the flipped classroom method. You learn the material before class, and then class time becomes actual discussion, problem solving, and application. That works way better for how I think and learn. I chose the program because my goal is to become a neurosurgeon. I've always been fascinated by the brain and how complex the human body is. What really stood out to me about this program is that it gives me the scientific foundation I need while also connecting to partner medical school pathways that move me closer to that goal. I'm also the co-founder of an AI tech company, so my life outside the classroom is pretty intense too. Most schools would make balancing that impossible, but UNF actually helped me make it work. The way classes are structured gives me enough flexibility to study full-time, build my business, go to the gym, and still have time for friends and life outside the school. Another thing I really value here is the environment. The classes are small, professors know you by name, and the staff are genuinely supportive. Since the university is still growing, it feels like the students are growing with it and helping shape what the future of the school looks like. One of the biggest things I've learned here is that you do not have to choose between ambitions. For me, medicine and technology are connected. I want to become a neurosurgeon while continuing to grow my AI company and work on technology that can improve patient outcomes. My advice to students would be to take advantage of every opportunity here, stay consistent, build real connections, and take advantage of the hands-on learning experience. I'm Hadi, and innovation flows here.